Welcome back to U's Car Update, your ultimate destination for all things car related. If you're passionate about staying updated with the latest car news, reviews, and tips, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. Cut to the host standing in front of a Tata dealership or showcasing the Tata Nano. The Tata Nano has always been an icon of affordability and innovation. And now, with the 2025 Tata Nano, Tata Motors has taken things to the next level. It's stylish, eco-friendly, and perfect for city driving. But how can you buy one in India? Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. First, start by visiting the official Tata Motors website or your nearest authorized dealership. The website provides all the details you need, including the 2025 Nano's price, available variants, and color options. You can also compare specifications to ensure you're picking the perfect fit for your needs. Next, book a test drive. This is a crucial step to experience the Nano's comfort, performance, and features firsthand. Test drives can be scheduled online or directly at the dealership, and it's a quick and hassle-free process. Once you've decided on your variant, it's time to explore financing options. Tata Motors has partnered with leading banks to offer attractive ME schemes that make owning the Nano easier than ever. Don't forget to check for seasonal discounts and promotional offers. It could save you even more. After finalizing your payment plan, place your order. Whether you prefer booking online or directly at the dealership, the process is simple. You'll need to provide essential documents like proof of identity, address, and income to complete the purchase. And finally, the big day delivery. Once your paperwork is approved, your brand new Tata Nano will be ready to hit the road. Whether it's for daily commutes or weekend getaways, the Nano is designed to make every journey enjoyable and economical. Cut to the host with the car in the background. And that's how easy it is to buy the 2025 Tata Nano in India. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give this video a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to U's Car Update for more car news and reviews. Let me know in the comments, are you excited to own the 2025 Tata Nano? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Closing scene with the Tata Nano driving into the sunset and the channel's logo with a subscribe button displayed.